All right, good morning to the MG Sports TV family. Are we family? We are family. I think we are family. we are family. Good morning to you all. Hopefully you guys are doing good and the mic is on. I'm really hoping that you guys are actually having a wonderful morning. Yeah, it's actually a beautiful morning. As you can see, this is actually the Barbican mini stadium. Is it mini stadium? I think it's a mini stadium, yeah. Actually beautiful turf, artificial turf. Beautiful. Let me come out of the way. You guys can see beautiful, really crisp, extremely pretty. And this is where there's an event here today, a football event where they're trying. It's called let me give a better example. Let me just take it on my phone. I never really wanted to discuss it, but let me just give an idea of what it's about. So it's a Sports Brain Youth Football Combine from 12 to 2 p.m. It's a data-driven, athletic focus and AI-powered program. So what they're going to do is utilize the artificial intelligence to look at some of the kids. As you can see, just listed the age group. Things, a lot of youths like 10 to 12, 13 years old, and they're going to look at them and analyze their projection, where they're likely to be in the next 10, 12 years from now, or even 5 to 6 years from now, just to use those data to see how best we can develop the football utilizing artificial intelligence, which is actually a brilliant idea. I think it's groundbreaking stuff. Anyways, now you won't be able to say anything about it. You won't be able to see anything about it. My apologies. Yeah, it's something that's not, it can't be leaked, but you can hear about it, we can discuss it, but we can't really show footage or images of what's taking place. Now let's get into it. Happy faces, people. Happy faces. The Reggae Boyz looks as if they are bonding extremely well, and I love that. I really love that, people. And looking at the photos coming out, the training images, the clips, the videos, just look at the player social, people. They're all bonding, and that is a beautiful scene. The team is traveling today, and the thing about it is that with these players having that level of camaraderie, it means good news. We expect to see some cohesivity within the team, a bit of cohesion. Those are things we're expecting to see. But based off their social media posting, it looks good. And I'm being honest, people. It looks really good, and we love it. They're sending out. They're getting people entertained. They're getting the fans involved. It's a good look. And even players from overseas who's not even in the squad are tuning in, and they're taking a bit of that fun. They're joining in on that fun, and it is a good thing, people. Al Grimson definitely must be enjoying himself in camp at present moment. It is a good look, people. This is the time now. We're 2 days away. They're Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're 1 day away from match day, 1 day away from seeing the team put in an astonishing performance at the Azteca against Mexico team. It will be a tough one, but even last night when I was doing my stream, the stats came in. I think Big Deal dropped the stats in the comment section, and the games have been really close between both Jamaica and Mexico. It has been tremendously close, which means that anything is likely to play. We can remember that twice we had them by the neck, we had them by the jugular twice, and we did not capitalize on it. We did not. Remember one time Damian Lowe got a red card and went and just everything just went into turmoil from that. When Alvas Paul came on, he just went in turmoil. Another aspect when Anthony Grant came out, when we were in the Azteca at Mexico, the World Cup qualifiers, Anthony Grant came off and it just went down. So there were pinnacle moments of those games in which we lost those games. If we can eradicate those minor issues, we are likely to see something quite good this time around. So I'm really hoping that we can capitalize on this opportunity and push ourselves to top this table and move into the final rounds of this competition. So people, I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling good, I'm really enjoying the cohesiveness I'm seeing. I'm really enjoying the unity that I'm seeing within the squad, and it looks good. It looks really good, people. And unity is strength. And once they're together, bonding together like that, it means good news for us as fans, and it means that they can go out there and put in a solid team-like performance. And this is what we want to see. We want to see the team enjoying each other's company. We want to see the players having fun together. We never saw that in the World Cup qualifiers. That's behind us now. We're moving. It's a new page. Everything is different now, and that is what we want to do. do. They're also doing stuff with young kids and that. So they're showing a lot of community aspect, which in the west side of the country, which is actually very good. People, let me tell you, oh, it is brilliant. It is really, really brilliant. It's a strategic move to get that side of the country heavily involved with the players. So it's a brilliant move, people. So that is it for me, people. Hopefully you guys are good. Please enjoy the rest of your day, people. And I'm out. MG Sports TV, people. We're out. Boom.